Today we'll talk about how can you change preferences on your Upwork challenge app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then you click here on settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switch into open video here. So it's going to take a time to open video here. Then you go down. So then you come here to preferences. You click here on change preferences here, and you come to this list. Then here can you use Upwork with IA here, or you just skip it here. So when you click here on changes in the here, just click on don't use app with here, then it's going to take you, then it's going to change saved here with you on your app. So Upwork challenge app. And if you want to add here, use Upwork with IA or don't. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.